Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to visualize conversion rate in Looker Studio, step by step, beginner-friendly, and fully updated for 2026. If you want to clearly see how well your traffic turns into leads or sales, yeah, this guide is for you. First, open Looker Studio and create a new report, or open an existing one. Connect your data source like Google Analytics 4, Google Ads, or a Google Sheet where conversions and sessions are already tracked. Now let's define conversion rate. Conversion rate is usually conversions divided by total sessions or users. To visualize this properly, we'll create a calculated field, click Add a field, name it conversion rate, then divide conversions by sessions and multiply by 100. Set the data type to percentage. That part matters. Next, add a scorecard. Choose your new conversion rate field as the metric. This gives you a clear, at-a-glance view of performance. Honestly, one of the most important visuals on any dashboard. Now add a trend chart. Use a line chart with date as the dimension and conversion rate as the metric. This helps you see whether your conversion rate is improving, dropping, or staying flat over time. To go deeper, add a bar chart or table. Break conversion rate by channel, campaign, device, or landing page. This instantly shows which sources convert best, not just which ones bring traffic. Filters make this even more powerful. Add a date range filter and optional filters for traffic source or device type. This lets viewers analyze conversion rate under different conditions. So yeah, very useful. Design matters too. Keep colors simple, labels clear, and charts uncluttered. Conversion data should be easy to read and quick to understand. Before sharing, switch to view mode and test everything. Change dates, apply filters, and confirm the numbers update correctly across all charts. And that's it. By using calculated fields, scorecards, trend charts, and filters, you can visualize conversion rate clearly in Looker Studio. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step Looker Studio tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next